Welcome, today I am with Realme 9 Pro and I want to show you a couple of camera tricks. So the first, when we are in the photo or video mode, we can quickly increase or decrease brightness level. You have to tap on the screen, and with this sun icon you can change the brightness level manually. To make it automatically, just tap on the screen. If you want to change color and the temperature, you can tap right here and go for the filters. You can find here few presets that you can quickly apply on them. So if you want to get, for example, this kind of the filter, just tap on the screen on the shutter, and as you can see, the photo was taken with a new look. To pick the normal settings, you have to go for the original, and it also works in the video mode. Okay, when you want to take photo, you can tap on the shutter. You can also use volume buttons, this one and this one, take a look. When you click and hold the volume up or down button, you can take series of the photo. It's called the bird shot. The same when you click and hold normal shutter. When you go for the gallery and tap right here, you can find all of these photos that you take. When you tap right here on the settings icon, you can add short delay to your shutter for 3 or 10 seconds. It's useful when you try to take, for example, the photo on the tripod. Okay, let's turn it off right now. And you can also use the zoom feature by moving this presets. You can also go like that. You can expand this kind of the menu with other presets. So we got 5, 2, 1 and 0.6x. Normally it looks like that, but also we can use your volume buttons. So we have to go for the settings. You have to find the volume button action and switch from the shutter to the zoom, and take a look right now. It works definitely more stable when you use volume buttons. Okay, and we can also find here the 64 megapixel mode, and this mode gives us more details on the photo, so take a look. As you can see, we can zoom in very close and we can spot more details than on the normal photo. So let's switch for the normal photo mode. And as you can see, that's the maximum zoom that we can get in this photo mode. Okay, and the last option we'll find in the settings. So let's rotate the phone, and as you can see, when we are here, we can use the quick launch. It's the double press volume button, and when the screen is off, so we'll be able to open the street mode. So let's try if it works. Lock the device, press either volume button, and as you can see, we can quickly open our camera application in the street mode. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.